just finished a leg workout and I got spaghetti legs. So, so now we are going to run back to the crib, get my protein shake in, and I gotta cook. Got a food prep because I didn't feel like doing it yesterday. So we're gonna do that today. So I guess I'll show you guys what I'm gonna be cooking. Nothing that you haven't really seen before, but I did switch it up a little bit because I'm trying to cut back on my fat intake. Dude, I came back from Oklahoma and New Orleans weighing 155 pounds. Now I haven't been that heavy in a while, and I could definitely, when I say I could definitely see the extra pounds, man. Man, because I'm like, that shit always goes straight to my stomach, and that's exactly where it's at. So I officially don't have any abs right now, so we'll be going extra ham on the ab work. I may or may not do some cardio. Still undecided on that, but today was leg day. I never do cardio on leg days, and that's advice for anybody that's going to the gym for the first time. Never do cardio and leg day on the same day. Never. Your legs will hate you for it, trust me. All right, so I'm going to head home and then show you guys what I'm whipping up for the week. All right, let's keep it moving. What's going on, YouTube? We are back in that kitchen cooking. So we are going to be washing some chicken real quick. Then we are going to season, then throw it in the oven. Got the oven heating up. It's just about done heating up. And then at the same time, we're going to go ahead and throw these shrimp on the grill one time real quick. Fry them up real quick. And throw a couple servings of potatoes in the oven as well. Because I need to go ahead and eat my next meal. I've already had my protein shake after my workout. So I'm about due for my next meal. And as you hear, that's the sound of the oven being ready to go. So I'll show you guys what I'm going to be doing. So we are going to be using, shouldn't be sharing my secrets with you guys, but I keep it simple, man. Garlic powder, you guys, onion powder, lemon pepper. Now, I used to do onion salt and garlic salt, but need to stay away from too much salt because certain spices already got salt in them anyway. So it's kind of like, instead of garlic salt or onion salt for that matter, or whatever the case may be, I just use onion powder, garlic powder, and that lemon pepper. You know what I'm saying? Then we keep it super lean with the chicken fingers. You know, I switched it up. I usually do the boneless chicken thighs, but you know, I'm trying to get extra lean, bro. Cause look at these macros, G. Yeah, man. No fat, 22 grams of protein. All protein, no fat, bro. Get it. You know what I'm saying? Gotta trim down this stomach. You know what I mean? Got my red skin potatoes. Let me show y'all what else I got going on. So, you know what I'm saying? So, this is the shrimp that I'm gonna be. So yeah, got them jumbo jerks. You know what I'm saying? And then if you look at these macros, look at that. 1.5 grams of fat. 19 grams. Like, come on, bro. Like, see? Like Jay-Z said, man, I'll show you how to do this, son. Like, for real, bro. It's easy, you guys. It's so easy, man. And this is how I'm staying up on my water. I got my that's my second protein shake for the day. Now, my sister gave me this when I was in Oklahoma. So now I drink one of these and two of these. I started drinking one of these downstairs. I've already drunk this much water today. So once I drink the last one of these that I got downstairs, that'll be my gallon for the day. You feel me? And it's only like 5:30 in the evening. So yeah, man, I'm well ahead of the game on the water. Yeah, man, we're gonna get it, bro. I'm gonna try to slim down and get shredded as much as possible, bro. I cannot believe I ballooned up to 155, 154. All right, so, oh yeah. Then of course, before I go, as you can see, got another pack of that chicken. You know, gotta stay on top of it. Tell you, bro, these right here, bro. These are clutch, bro. They already seasoned with the sea salt and the cracked pepper. Bro, just throw you a serving or two of these in the oven on 400 for like 20 minutes. Bro, you good to go. You know what I mean? Got you a nice little carb source right there. And check out these macros, bro. You know what I'm saying? 3.5 fat, 2 protein, 18 grams of carbs. You know what I'm saying? That's the carb source you want, man. Easy. You know what I'm saying? But if you want something, and honestly, if you want to go a little leaner, you could go with rice too, but I prefer potatoes. Oh yeah, and then I was debating between broccoli and green beans, but since we did green beans last time before I left to go to Oklahoma and New Orleans, we are gonna do green beans this time. So with the green beans, what I do is, you guys, I make that with, see, where is it at? Yeah, there it is. Chicken broth. All right, and I always make sure I get the one with less sodium or low sodium. All right, so for you guys that's trying to watch your sodium, make sure you get the chicken broth with the less sodium or the one that says low sodium. You know what I mean? I pour like a cup of that in here with the green beans. A little dash of salt and pepper in the green beans. And just kind of let that simmer on low for a long period of time. You know, then eventually it's good to go. So, yeah, man. I keep it pretty simple, you guys. So, we're going to go ahead and get this going and then go and see the finished product. Alright, you guys, so I got the chicken in the oven, potatoes in the oven. You know what I'm saying? You can see it right here. things going. And now I am heating up my skillet for the yam sands. And I ran water all over those a couple times. And we are gonna season these joints with that lemon pepper. And I think I might have a treat for you guys, because I'm thinking, I know I promised myself I wasn't gonna go beef, but I want to keep things simple, and I think I got a bit of a hidden gem that's will be good for for you gym goers that are a little bit newer to the nutrition side of things, because I've managed to be able to get in pretty decent shape, still enjoying the foods that I like, but just being very selective on picking certain items in particular as far as macros. So I'm gonna be showing you guys that, but I might think I'm gonna do the entirely different video on that, because I kind of want to go over everything with you, because it's kind of specific. Because you gotta look for specific things, so that way you staying on the cleaner side of things, even though technically what you're eating is something that wouldn't be considered like healthy. So just keep that in mind. All right, let's keep it moving.